Oui, oui, le oui, oui, la oui, oui, le oui, oui. We got a box from Paris. That's why the French music. That's why the pocket square. This is a brand called Jarmon. Jarmon is fairly exclusive to us. This box holds the most beautiful clothes from Paris. Oh, going to go back to Paris. So, le bibi, le riri, et epic. Which means this is going to be an epic unboxing. Jarmon, you are going to want every single piece. And you know what? The deal with Jarmon, I cannot reorder this stuff. Which means you come in, you get it, you're the lucky one. Tap shorts, tailors, like sailor look, in an off-white. Literally, this will go with everything you own. Do this with any of your sweaters right now and do it with a cowboy boot. Do it with a jean jacket. Do it with a blouse. Do it with a high heel. Do it with a blazer. Just do it. This will make everything in your closet look brand new. High-waisted. It's not tight on the thigh. Jarmon clothes fit. These buttons are beautifully enameled. The color is exquisite. There's a pant version of it, which is somewhere here. Somewhere. If you saw the Valentino fall collection for next year, it was all about pink. Pink is going to be a very important color. This is a cropped little pink, tiny little thing, isn't it? Oh, I bought a 34 for a lady that I have an appointment with tomorrow. You know who you are. She'll love it. So they come from a 34 to a 44, 0 to 12. This with this. So French. Très, très joli. Wow. Love. Just to give you an idea what a bigger size of that jacket looks like. This is the bigger size. This is a 42. So that was a tiny piece. Just so you know, we have clothes for all body shapes, body types. You know what? Here's the deal. The difference between an owner of a shop that is male, a male buyer, and a female buyer, okay, is this. A female buyer buys for her own body almost sometimes, because that's what she's familiar with. A male buyer, à moi, I just buy style. I buy fashion. I buy for different body types. I'm not only buying for skinny women, I'm buying for women that have hips. I'm buying for women who are skinny, that have a belly, women that have, they're small on top, whatever. All types of women. We are very inclusive. Don't you see yourself at Ruth Fabierge? I mean, why are you laughing, Constance? Is this not I mean, are you listening to me? It is, you need it. You need it. And you need this. Besides pink having a moment, green is having a moment. This is a beautiful green cherry.
Cherry.
Cherry. Green cherry. I am going to finish the video with a French accent. This is a beautiful blouse for you. You are going to look so sexy on it. And you can wear it with a pair of pants. I can't keep up with that. Okay, so that's the idea. How fabulously French tailored clothes. These are not ruffly, exaggerated ruffles like some other designers that we carry. If you're totally done with the ruffle situation, this is what you need. And look at this skirt. Constance, you have picked the perfect, are you really following me everywhere? You've picked the perfect music for this. Do this with an off-white jacket over it. Do it with a little cardigan over your shoulder. Do it with a colorful a yellow cardigan, something colorful over it. The pink jacket may be too much for it. Okay, ça c'est all I have. Oh, come. We have more boxes, but I don't want to bore you. Come see me. Come see me. Come see me. Come see me. Bring me a croissant.